Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Eldridge, local and long-distance movers near me. Contemplating a relocation within Eldridge, local companies like 3 Movers are your perfect partners when moving within the city. With our knowledge of Eldridge's neighborhood and efficient planning, we will ensure a seamless move to your new home. We have you covered from packing your belongings with care to navigating the city streets. Are you planning a long-distance move out of Eldridge? Let our long-distance movers take care of the logistics. Long-distance moves differ from local moves, demanding meticulous planning and a keen eye for detail. The Eldridge Long-Distance 3 Movers team ensures the safety of your items during the journey, using secure packing and careful handling to prevent any damage. Eldridge Long Distance 3 Movers provide transparent and competitive pricing that fits your budget, no hidden costs, no surprises. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Eldridge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.